Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change lock screen clock font and style on HONOR X7d. To do this, first perform a pinch gesture on your lock screen like this, and then select your wallpaper by tapping on it. Then tap on the clock at the top of your screen, and here you can select the custom font for your clock, and you can also change the color by selecting one of the available colors. And once you select the available color, you can also adjust the tone of the color by moving the slider right here. Some of the colors don't have such adjustments. For example, white cannot be changed. Once you're happy with the result, tap done, and this way you will adjust your clock font and style on your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.